Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Here is how I was able to change my life and how countless of other people have done the same and how you can too. Hi, my name is Hadiza. I'm originally from Nigeria. I live in New York, United States with my family. As a healthcare worker, I used to work long hours. Yes, long hours. Long hours, taking all the overtime, looking for that extra shift. It takes me away from my kids. It breaks my heart that I'm not there to nurture my kids the way I want to. But guess what? It all changed for me when I found an online business opportunity that gave me my freedom back, gave me the ability to control my time and my schedule. And of course, I started small with consistent effort and a proven system. Here is what I've been able to achieve. Paid off over 45K in credit card debt. Ah, screamed. Increased my income over $45,000 a month. Can you imagine that? Upgraded my family's old minivan from the Oldsmobile I had to a brown new SUV, reduced my work hours. Now I can spend quality time with my kids and my family, traveling and doing the things that I love. I'm not sharing all this with you to brag, but to tell you what is possible. Imagine a life where you can travel, where you can be there for your kids, take them to church, be present with them. No more worrying about bills coming in the mail. The ability to create memories with your family, having that financial security, right? And freedom to live on your own terms. This business has been able to do it for so many people, and I know it can also be for you. If you desire a change and you want something new to create your life the way you want, not worrying about bills, not worrying about how to pay your mortgage, pay your rent, take care of your children, giving them the things they need without you being concerned. How am I going to make the ends meet next month? Take care of that. Learn more. It all started with a simple webinar. That's where myself and countless of other people started. You can start there too. If you're ready for a change and you want to learn more, right now, click the Learn More button right there on your screen. Register your name, your email. I will send you more information. And while you're there, you can directly connect with me with my Facebook group. You can send me a message, whether on WhatsApp. My number is right on the screen. Send me information. I'm excited. I want this excitement for you. I want you to come and learn how you can change your life. Why is Hadiza so excited? Because this business is changing lives, and that included mine, and it could be for you too. So hopefully I will see you on the inside. Sign up right now and let's get started.